everyone. This is Kathy and
Kelsey
from
Frankly Natural Beauty.
And today we're going to make a really cool soap. We're going to make a watermelon soap. And we're going to show you later what we used. And actually we already made it. It's right here. It's right here. I'm going to show you a close-up later. It's inspired by summertime. We wanted to make something, summery. So we decided to get watermelon soap. So we're gonna go and make it now. Actually we already made it like I said before. But anyway, we used the organic poppy seeds for the top to imitate, the seeds inside the watermelon. It came out really good. Alright, so if you guys are new to our channel, welcome! And if you're already watching us, please give us a thumbs up and like our videos and subscribe, please subscribe. So we're gonna make more videos and we have more fun. Alright, so let's go soaping. But before we do that, I want to show you what we used.
This is the watermelon soap.
As you can see, has little poppy seeds inside and on top, and we made little samples too right there. Kelsey's gonna show you. Perfect. And then we used
the fresh picked watermelon fragrance oil from Crafter's Choice.
And organic poppy seeds that we get at our grocery store, Safeway. And it's the organic stuff. It's very good stuff. And then we used micas and chrome oxides, right?
And electric bubblegum colorant
from Brambleberry.
And we used chromium oxide.
And of course we used a little bit of titanium dioxide to lighten it up. And what is the other stuff? Is a Kelly green. We used Kelly green mica from Brambleberry too. And chromium, right? Green chromium oxide for Brambleberry. And okay, and I think that's it. No, and the red mica too, to make it more, red. Okay, so here we go. That's what we used. Okay, so now that you guys saw what we used, we're gonna start and let's make this wonderful watermelon soap. There we go. Let's go soaping. Alright, so what I have in this bowl over here, I have my oils. They're about 101 degrees. I have coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil, and palm oil. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a lye in there. And the lye is about 107, so very close. We're gonna pour it in here. It's kind of hot. I usually don't like it this hot. I like it about room temperature, but today it's late and I don't want to wait. I forgot to do that and get the lye ready. So it's alright. It's alright. Okay, so let me blend this and get it to a very light trace. And then we're gonna add this beautiful watermelon fragrance oil that I actually got from Crafter's Choice. Okay, then I'm going to use this very fancy molds I found at the dollar store. I want to just see how they work and have some fun with that. So we're gonna put some of the green stuff here for both right here, one here. kind of line over here, just a little bit to mimic the rind on the watermelon. You know, I don't know if you noticed, you have a little bit of that. I'm gonna break it a little bit to push back a bit. And this too here. Okay. I'm gonna do one over here. And I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. I'm gonna be fixing it. And I was like, what's she doing? She's nothing on mine. So I'm gonna put a little bit more over here. Maybe I should have made more white. It's working just fine. The rest of that. Of course, I spilled on the side. Just one. That's okay, I'm gonna fix it. Okay. So we're done, almost done with the white and stuff that I have to fix it because he's all over the place. Just gonna scrape my balls to dobbiamo pulire le ciotoline. Okay. And then I'm just gonna fix it a little bit. Alright. It's actually going over here. And then I'm gonna mix the red. And in the red actually we're gonna have little poppy seeds in there. Mimic the seeds there are in the watermelon, right? And we're gonna make our beautiful stuff here. Seems to be, I got really thick. But that's okay. We're gonna go back to the. Alright, so now we're gonna put the fragrance oil in there, and I noticed that this guy's actually slowing the trays and actually good. Yeah, I really like this. It reminds me of watermelon. Okay, well, I'm gonna put a little bit of poppy seeds. I don't want to put a lot of them. I don't want to put it in the other ones, but I may have to put it in a different container. So I'm gonna try this again and see if it works, because I tried before and it was too sloppy, would not hold the form, you know, anything. I want a texture, a little bit of texture in here, so I'm gonna try it again. Well, it seems like now it's working, so I want to do some little. this and we'll mold it and we will cut it. All right, see you later. All right, here we are back. This is actually more like 4 days after we made the soap. And I had to wait a little bit because it was a little bit too soft and I didn't want to ruin it. And even when I took it off, it was kind of took a little bit of a chunk on the side of both soap there. But it's really nice. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. It came out really good. It smells delicious. Let me show you. This is the first cut. It's kind of weird because I had some indentation here, but look at this side here. Isn't that beautiful? Delicioso, bellissimo. So I'm gonna cut a few more bars to show you guys what it looks like inside. Now I'm gonna show you all the bars, what they look like. I think it looks great. And these are just little tiny samples here. Alright. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna move my camera and I'm gonna show you what these puppies look like. Alright, there you have it. Our watermelon soap. Summer watermelon soap. Okay, there it is. The other, I'm trying to organize the other stuff here, but it's really, really cute and looks like a watermelon, doesn't it? Yes, it does. It looks like a watermelon. It smells like a watermelon. It's sweet scent, really nice. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. We appreciate you supporting our channel, and please go and watch our other videos. Watch this one, give us thumbs up, subscribe, subscribe please. And if you are in Italy and watching, or Germany, all my fellow cousins, all my cousins and my fellow friends there, please do the same. Iscrivetevi, dateci un bel like. And remember, you want to see more of those, go ahead and watch our videos. And that's the way you support us. If you want to buy a bar of this beautiful soap, just go to our Etsy shop, Frankly Natural Beauty, and you can get a bar when it's ready. And it's gonna be ready next month, probably the first week. Let me see, today is what? The end of the second week of July probably is gonna be ready to go. So let me know if you want a bar and we'll send it to you. Thank you so much again. Adios. Arrivederci. Ciao. Sayonara. Alla prossima. The next time. Bye bye.